In today's tutorial, I'm just how to turn off or disable driver signature enforcement on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Start menu, select the power button, and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. Give us a moment, and then you can just let it load here for a second. You don't actually have to hold down the Shift key anymore. Just wait for your Toshiba device to load up the troubleshooting menu here. And now you can select Troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see Advanced Options. Select Advanced Options, and then select Startup Settings, change Windows Startup Behavior. Select Restart. And then at this point, you can select the F7 or Function 7 key to disable driver signature enforcement, or whatever corresponds to it on that page, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.